السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بهذا سبورتس كنكت ayaa si wada jira message kana ku soo diraya.
سلام يحوات أبزل لخمو سلام عنا باتمننا إحنا East Africa نحن تجان تاتعوتينا.
For the first time ever, we East Africans.
waxaan rabnaa inaan idin sheegno dhibaatada uu leeyahay cudurkan fayraska.
A lot of our patients are presenting with severe respiratory distress, and it's a very acute. They were fine, and they had some cough, and then they weren't fine. And right here is a patient that really didn't have much underlying conditions, has developed severe respiratory failure as well as kidney damage from the virus.
27 COVID patients have died so far at that Brooklyn hospital, and every time it happens,
dhakhtar badan ayaa ka hadlay oo ay ka mid yihiin kuwan fiidiyoga ku soo diray. waa cudur khatar ah aan cidnaba dhaafayn.
نحنا East Africa نحن تجان تاتعوتينا. إريتراوين، إثيوبياوين، صوماليوين، كينياوين. اتناتنا من الاختخاء كمي جيركا نزي تلابع حمام كورونا فيروس كن كالخلون كن بدهن نخيل. إذا أب علمنا وريد ذل حمام شلل ليلكا زير رأي نعاوي أيبل ننقشي زي محر حمام إيمو نزا فيديو توكسنا ملء حبريتا كاب دكتور نسمعيو. زو هوسبيتال أب نيويورك زركب كوانا نايكل تسعات رحكات زلوه إيو. تزبالت من قدي كمي جيركا نمقطع نزيهم كيلاتات سنو موياوين تعنا نوكوسو.
For the first time ever, we East Africans, Ethiopians, Somalians, Iridians, and Kenyans are all playing on the same team. Our opponent is the coronavirus, also known as COVID-19. We need facts, information, and teamwork to beat this disease. The coronavirus is a very dangerous disease that kills all races, old and young, according to many doctors talking on media sources. Doctors indicated that this disease kills people very quickly if they aren't immediately treated. To understand how to protect yourself from the coronavirus, you must understand who is most at risk and how it kills you. COVID-19 causes inflammation to organs or any part of your body inside which it attacks. The definition of inflammation is when somewhere in your body becomes red, swollen, hot, and painful, and that's what COVID-19 does. For example, people who have blood pressure will be more at risk because of their arteries and veins inflamming, or any other condition such as diabetes. This disease is a very dangerous disease that doesn't discriminate. It hit the richest town in Connecticut, Fairfield, and the poorest part of Brooklyn, also, which are both 2 hours away from where this is being recorded. We must all social distance and pray in order for COVID-19 to lose and for us to be successful.
Anagu waxaan joognaa Connecticut, New York way ku dhagan tahay. waa meeshii ugu horeysay cudurku xalaalay. marka warbixinihii iyo dhibaatooyinkii ayaan rabnaa inaan idin la wadaagno. waxaana warku ku kooban yahay inta dhakhtarku yiri. fiidiyoyada kula socda ayaa warku ku kooban yahay oo ah inna ma dhaafayo qof yar iyo qof weyn waa dilaya. marka uu kugu dhacana waxa si degdeg ah haddii aan lagaaga daweyn si degdeg ah ku dilaya. laba group ayaa jira oo dadka adduunka ugu taajirsan oo county kamida Connecticut ah iyo county kamida New York oo ah meesha ugu faqiirsan. labadaba digad uu ka dhigay. tan taajiriinta ah waxa iyaga ku haleelay war la'aan. kuwan New York waxa iska dhagatireen talooyinka loo soo jeedinayay. marka waxaan rabnaa inaydan talooyinka la idin soo jeedinay aydan dhagaha ka furaysan ee aad ka jawaabtaan. sababta aan idinku soo dirnayna waa halis. waan salaamaynaa.